Over the past month, I dedicated my time and creativity to building a human-sized version of Bumblebee. Yes, the iconic Transformer, all out of cardboard. Using simple materials, a lot of patience, and tons of passion, I turned flat sheets of cardboard into a detailed and dynamic figure that brings this beloved character to life. Here's how I made it happen, step by step. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Izon Crafts, where we're all about cardboard crafting. Today, we're going to show you how to make amazing projects using simple tools and smart tips. No matter if you're just starting out or you're already a master, this is the perfect spot for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's start making some awesome creations together with Izon Crafts. In the beginning, we dive into crafting the body, starting with creating a sturdy frame using an abundance of cardboard fashioned into a tube structure to form the foundation of the body. Moving forward, our attention shifts to the front, where we meticulously shape a chest that embodies the iconic appearance of Bumblebee. I'm focusing to detailing the body to look like Bumblebee chest. The progress is truly a sight to behold, and I can't wait to see the final transformation. With precision, we fashion the wheels using a trusty compass tool, ensuring they complement the overall design flawlessly. As we progress, we tackle the creation of the doors, resembling wings, adding a touch of sleekness and coolness to the Bumblebee car. Finally, we piece together the back and meticulously assemble all the intricately crafted components, bringing our vision to life. Right before I was about to dive into my project, an unexpected happened. My glue gun decides to call it quits. Out of all the tools and gadgets I have, this glue gun is like my partner in crafting. Thanks a million, buddy, for being my crafting sidekick all this time. You can finally take a well-deserved break now. To create the ultimate robotic arm, we start by crafting a sturdy cardboard tube as the base. Next, sculpt a powerful bicep to give the arm a muscular appearance. Then, incorporate intricate details inspired by the iconic Bumblebee from the Transformers movie. Witnessing the transformation of this project is an absolute thrill, making the entire process incredibly enjoyable. Let's bring this mechanical masterpiece to life. As I embarked on the journey to create the thigh, that essential part of the leg connecting the hip to the knee, I stumbled upon an old metallic laundry box tube. With determination in my heart, I utilized cardboard to fortify the tube, ensuring its strength. Days passed, and the thigh finally took shape, bringing a sense of accomplishment and joy. Despite the sweltering heat of the Philippines, my creation stood proudly on my table, a testament to perseverance and creativity. Creating the perfect leg and foot masterpiece is no easy feat. Starting with cardboard, I meticulously pieced together the foot, crafting each part with precision. The ankle is represented by a sturdy tire, with a metallic tube ensuring its durability. Despite my busy family schedule, seeing this project come together brings me pure joy. Moving on to the limb, I make use of an ample amount of cardboard to effectively capture the intricate details of Bumblebee's legs, essentially replicating the same process that can be observed in the films. Our primary focus is to genuinely bring the captivating magic and enchantment to life in a manner that is both realistic and a true representation of the source material. Before we delve into the grand finale, let me unveil my vintage masterpiece, Bumblebee. A mere decade old, my knack for breathing life into cardboard is truly awe-inspiring. Witnessing the evolution of my craft has been a journey filled with growth and gratitude. Thanks to the unwavering support of my loved ones, what started as a simple creation has blossomed into a beloved hobby. This is the final piece, the head of Bumblebee. Countless hours were poured into crafting this masterpiece, the cornerstone of our project. With passion and precision, I meticulously sculpted this piece to seamlessly integrate with the rest of the body. Witnessing the evolution of this creation has been nothing short of exhilarating, and I am eagerly anticipating the unveiling of the final result. And now, the moment of truth has arrived. After more than a month of dedication, my project is finally complete. It's truly mesmerizing how a simple piece of cardboard can evolve into such a masterpiece. Witnessing my journey unfold and seeing how far I've come fills me with gratitude. The unwavering support you've been my driving force, even when managing my channel became a daunting task. Despite the countless obstacles and challenges I faced along the way, I persevered and continued on this incredibly creative journey. Thank you so much for being a part of this extraordinary adventure, and I truly appreciate your happiness as I work on my craft. Happy crafting!